Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video we are going to take a look at a brand new product from Vision Gel, and it's Vision's Design Inks. These are 12 brand new ink colors that I have not taken a look at yet, so I will do a demo with you guys, and if this interests you, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's have some fun. So I would suggest to put paper towel down, wear an apron. If you're anything like me, splatters go everywhere, just like glitters do. Okay, so I have a dampen dish full of acetone, and I have nail tips done up. I just covered the nail tips in white, and I put our velvet matte top coat on top. So we're all ready to go and you're not waiting around for me to do all the prep work. So the first one we're going to look at is number 1. This is a red, I think. It's either a red or an orange. I think it's red. Okay, let's have some fun. So I'm just going to dab it onto the matte top coat. You don't have to put it over top of a color. I did with the white. I put the white on because I wanted you guys to be able to really see the color. So I'm just gonna dip my brush into acetone and dab. Wow. Ooh, I really like those strong veins right here. Oh, I really like this. Okay, let's see what happens if you add some more. You know what? You don't need to add more. You can if you want, but no, you don't need to. So, oh, you know what? You don't like the design? Smoosh it all together. Actually, I really like that. I really like that, but I want to play some more. Oh, this is so fun. I'm going to leave it like this. I really like that. I'm going to put the Super Shine No Wipe top coat over top and cure for 30 seconds. Look at that, it doesn't even drag the color together. The design ink was a tad wet, but it didn't even drag or melted the colors together. That is amazing. The Super Shine No Wipe top coat really brings out the design. I don't know if you can see that or not, but okay, let's cure that and we'll come back. Okay, and here is number 1, which is this gorgeous red. And I wanted to get nice and close. Let's just move me out of the way so it focuses on the nail tip and not my nails. That is beautiful. I like how the veins are very dramatic. That is gorgeous. So that is number 1, and number 1 is red. So the next color is number 5, or the next number is number 5, and it is the color. Number 5 is the color. I think this is a black. It's either a black or a purple. So I'm actually going to paint this one on and see what happens. Okay, yeah, this is a black or a gray. Black. And then I'm going to dip an old brush into acetone and play. Look at that. Oh my gosh, how easy is that? You could be done and get a really pretty smoked look. Just like that. I'm leaving it. I am so leaving it. I'm not touching it. I like it. So I will seal this with a No Wipe top coat. Top coat just really adds to it. Okay, cure that and we'll be right back. Okay, and there is number 5, which is black. That is stunning. Ooh, a whole set of nails like this. Yes, please. Actually, I kind of like what I'm wearing right now. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look how easy that was to apply. So easy, so simple to get a design, and you're done. Okay, next color is, this looks like a green, and it is number 6. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna do this again. That way you guys get to see the color. And that's all you would need. You don't need to add any more than that. This product is gonna go a long way. I really like that swirl motion. Oh, I see a little bit of yellow in here. You could mix colors too. Seeing a bit of yellow, I'm seeing darker green, I'm seeing lighter, kind of a blue green. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Okay, and I will put the top coat on. Man, it just kind of makes that design 3D-like. Okay, let's cure that. I'll be right back. And here is number 6, this gorgeous green. And I am putting gorgeous and green in the same sentence. I think I've come a long ways with green. Like, I'm starting to really like this color. Red's still my favorite. I think it'll always be my favorite. No, I don't think it always will be my favorite, but this green is stunning. Next color, this looks like an orange, but I bet you it's a pink. And it is number 8. Yeah, it's a pink. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, let's do some more dabbing. And then I'm dabbing with acetone. Kind of like just mushing it all together with acetone, make a design. Yeah, I really like that swoosh look. Oh my gosh, this is easy art, you guys. Easy art. Like, look, it's a bit darker purple here and lighter pink. And if you miss a spot, you can just kind of smoosh it to that spot. There's another hashtag for you hashtag lovers out there. Smoosh. Oh my gosh, if you can see the smile on my face. These are so much fun. Okay, I'm just leaving it like that. There's no need to do anything else. Okay, let's put the top coat on. And here. Okay, and this is what number 8 looks like. Totally not what's in the bottle. That is so pretty. So for you pink lovers out there, this is it. And you can put some silver lines along the veins of the design here and create kind of like a marble effect. So gorgeous. Okay, next color is, number is number 10. It looks brown in the bottle, but I think it's got a purple. Yeah, it's purple. I think it's a light purple. Let's just see, shall we? Look how rich that is. Whoa, this is going to have lots of stuff going on. Lots of colors going on with this one. Light purple, dark purple. I'm even seeing a blue hue to this. When you let it dry and then you go and do a little, it's too much design, it kind of gives you a layered effect, which is kind of cool. This one, you could just play and play and play. All of them you can. I think this one is a little bit more pigmented than the others that we've seen so far. I'm just seeing so many designs that you could do. Okay, I'm actually gonna leave it just like that. And it dries pretty much right away. Put your top coat on and here for 30 seconds. Wow, that top coat just adds so much. And here is number 10, this beautiful, I'd say this is a, once you get the acetone on here, it's more like a medium purple. Depending on how much acetone you put on, you get a lot of different colors of purple in here. And this purple does have a blue base, I'm seeing. Like especially these darker spots here, I'm seeing a blue undertone to it. Next color, number, this looks like a, ooh, this is a ooh color. Okay, I'm having too much fun. Oh my gosh, this is like an aqua blue. So I would say a lighter blue. Oh, probably my second favorite color aside from red. I have this huge smile on my face. Oh, that is so pretty. And you guys can layer these too, like put the top coat on and do it again. I'm not going to do that in this video just because I have 6 more to review for you guys. Now it's still a little bit shiny. I don't want to contaminate my top coat, so I'm going to wait for the shininess to evaporate. Okay, there we go. And put the top coat on. Gorgeous! Okay, and here's number 11. Beautiful light blue. I would say it's not quite a baby blue because I'm seeing a little bit of green in here to give it that aqua color. So kind of in between a light and a medium blue. I love this color. Next color is, I keep saying that, next color. This is number 14 and it looks brown, but I'm seeing some yellow in here. So let's see. It is a yellow. Oh, good. Beautiful. Yellow is so in this season. I'm glad I put this on white. This one you might have to do in layers. Let's just work it a little bit and see what happens. Okay, I like that. It's a very subtle design, so pretty. Oh, this is a gorgeous yellow. Okay, let's put the top coat on, and yeah, it even pops out more, the design. Yeah, once you get that top coat on, the design just pops right out. Okay, let's cure that. Okay, so this one I am going to try doing that second layer technique. So the first layer we put over top of a matte top coat, and this is over a glossy top coat. So let's see if how it works over top of a shiny top coat. The yellow is really hard to see, but it does work. Actually, I really like that. You guys are probably not being able to see this, but there are layers to this. This is really pretty. Let's see what happens when you put the top coat over top. See if it blends in and spreads or if it stays put. Okay, it stays put. Wow. I'm gonna cure that. We'll be right back. Okay, so here is number 14. Beautiful. I'd call this a canary yellow. If I'm tilting the tip so the light doesn't shine right directly on it, you can see the layers so subtly. Subtly? Okay, I'm just creating a whole new language here. Carrie's language. Carrie's English. But this is pretty. I'm seeing the layers of the designs in the yellow, but I'm not too sure if the camera's picking this up or not. But this is beautiful. This would be great for doing some watercolored flowers. Wow. Okay, awesome. Great color. I really like this one. So that's number 14. Okay, next one we're gonna look at. This kind of looks like a pink as well. Maybe, who knows? Who knows what it is? It's number 15. We'll compare it to number 8 here when we're done. Gorgeous. That's like a fuchsia. Yeah, this is a deeper pink than number 8 that we looked at earlier. I'm so just leaving that. Just gonna wait for the acetone to evaporate here. There we go. Gorgeous. Okay, I'll compare it to number 8 after I've cured this. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is number 15. This is a medium pink purple, and this was number 8 that we looked at. So quite a difference, much darker. It's almost like a purpley pink. Yeah, fuchsia. Okay, next color. Next color is number 16, and this looks like a purple. Kind of hard to tell, but let's take a look. Yeah, it's a kind of a medium purple. Okay, look how quick and easy that is. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna put a top coat on and cure it, and we'll be right back. Okay, and here is number 16. Beautiful medium purple. And I'm finding that the more pigmented design inks are a little bit easier to get the design that you might want than the ones that are lighter. But again, very simple to use no matter if there's a lot of pigment in or not as much pigment in the ink itself. Very pretty. Next one, it looks like a blue, and this is number 17, and this is definitely a blue. I'd say this is like a royal blue. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Oh, I love this color. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna put a top coat on that and we'll come back. Okay, and here's number 17's gorgeous royal blue. This is a more pigmented color, so you can get a really defined design if that's what you're looking for. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, they're all gorgeous. Okay, next color we're gonna take a look at. It looks like another purple, and it's number 18. Ooh, this looks like a really nice deep purple. So if you put a little bit more on, you get more depth to the design and color. Oh, I really like these deep veins right here. You could just play for days. So that gives it a totally different look, which I like when you use a little bit more. I think I prefer to use less because it's easier to work with, but I'm going to put a top coat on and we'll come back in. Okay, and here's number 18, a deeper purple. Now I'm going to show you the other purples that we did. So this is number 10, so that's lighter, and this is number 16, and it's got a little bit more pink in here. So 3 different purples, which is great. So they're not all the same. Even if I did this one lighter, it would still be different than these two. So you got a nice choice there if you really like purples. The last color we're going to look at, I'm not too sure what color this is, but this is number 19, and this actually looks like a brown. Oh, this one spreads really nice. Oh my gosh, that's just so easy and so much fun. Okay, let's put a top coat on. I'm going to cure this and we'll come back and recap the 12 colors that we just swatched. Okay, and there's the 12 new design inks by Vision Gel. These were so much fun to swatch out for you guys. I was so excited when I found out Vision Gel was coming out with these design inks. I love the fact that this brand is starting to expand their product line. So let's just take a quick close-up of these colors. Just to recap then, number 1 is the red, number 5 is the black gray, number 6 is the green, number 8 is the pink, number 10 is the, I would say, medium purple, 11 is the aqua blue, 14 yellow, 15 way over here. This one right here is a medium pink, fuchsia pink. It looks a little washed out in my camera. 16 is a pinky purple. 17 is a, I would say, a royal blue, even though it looks lighter in the camera. 18 is the dark purple, and 19 for brown. This is a really nice brown. So I'm really glad that there's the yellow, browns, and greens in this collection. What are my favorite colors? I would have to say number... You know what? I really like number 5, which is the black gray. So number 5, that one right there. I don't know. I like them all. I honestly like them all. No, I'm not picking one. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Nope. I like them all. For the most part, it's a well-rounded collection. I know there's gaps in the numbers, so I don't know if there's colors in between, if Vision Gel is going to add to this collection or not. But to start out with, I think this is a well-rounded collection as for colors, and I have to say they were super easy to work with. There wasn't any frustration when putting the acetone down. It was very quick. The more pigmented colors were easy to work with. The lighter colors were easy to work with, even though you couldn't really see what I was doing with the yellow. It is a very subtle but yet defined look. Can you have subtle and defined in the same sentence? Well, you know, Carrie can. So that is it. Tell me what you think. Do you think you're going to pick this collection up? Maybe you have a favorite color you want to pick up. I want to remind you again to use my coupon code Elite Nails and you get 10% off of your purchase of $100 or more. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video, give it a like, and follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram at Elite Nails by Carrie. And we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.